Hello there. Working on something a little special today. I got a big fun pack of these elbows and, well, slightly squashed elbows. And I've started work on some different hands for Marduk. You can see they look more like fingers. They're going to be more stationary. Probably going to end up putting some fun noodles over them. That way when it punches it's still kind of soft, but will still transfer impact, kind of like a boffing weapon. PVC bits are kind of like big Lego, and it's really fun to work with. So I'm going to be bolting those on over the next few days onto the arms, which are outside. And I thought I'd give maybe a bit of a better view of the wheels turning for the steering system, since I brought the legs around and outside and turned it around. I also have the snow blower right underneath the carriage mounts, ready to be attached. And I'll have to put the tension bar so the back end angles properly, so those wheels, wagon wheels, are barely, well, probably a few inches off the ground. Pretty much to act as sort of like training wheels in case the mech leans too far to one side or the other. So, I'll flip the switch and we'll see what's going on. And there they turn. I'll just flip the switch so it's going back. And there they go. And we'll get a close look at the piston underneath. There's some slight issues with tension going on, probably because I need to tighten down this mounting point right here a little more. And the switch was actually sparking a bit when I was flipping it earlier, so I'm going to need to put some heat shrink tubing or something over that to make sure the contacts don't spark at all. But, all things considered, it's going fairly well. The torso is outside at the moment. Probably this weekend I'm going to be putting the finishing touches on the torso so I can disassemble it and put it on top. Because I have got... One second while I take it out off camera. A washer, which will fit onto the mounting hole. You can see the washer will not fall into the hole, so when that's on the bottom it should prevent the torso from being lifted up and pulled out. But again, I'm going to be disassembling the entire torso and assembling it on top of the deck. And I'm going to be figuring out where to put this big linear actuator inside the torso, probably somewhere underneath the seat. And then I have to come up with a second switch system, like this, to power it, and also probably a safety switch in between this wire in the battery terminal, just to be extra safe, and that one you can goof around in the cockpit and turn the power steering and power torso rotation on and off at will. That way, if someone wants to, push the pedals, they won't do anything while they're inside. Good for conventions and stuff. But that is all for today, so until next time, I will see you then. Bye-bye.